All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. This week we learned Christmas is canceled. Here's how we closed out last week. We've had a pretty nice 16% rally off lows. Friday, we had a gap down. We tried to get bought up, and then since then, we've just seen selling in the indices. Now, since we're filling that area, the general consensus is now we're going straight back to lows, 350 spot, whatever it is. Nothing to change the narrative, like a little price action. But I think we're gonna have extreme chop. Wednesday we have a Fed meeting. Look, expect chop. Now everyone thinks the market's gonna break down. We're probably looking at support buys tomorrow.
We've seen this rising wedge break to new lows. We saw this rising wedge break to new lows. And I feel like you and I are both in similar camp, but like we don't expect to see the new lows from this break. And it's just some new pattern, maybe more of a base in this 380 versus 420 area. Everything's going back to highs, but we had just gone on these major runs in a lot of these sectors. You have to expect some prop taking. And we're seeing that kind of across the board. So.